Today the lesson plan is going to be stations, and we are going to be learning kindergarten through second grade. We can make a heart. Now, there are many different ways that you can make a heart. So you might say, I already know how to make a heart, but let's explore a little bit. Did you know that you can draw a heart, you can cut a heart, you can build a heart, you can make a digital heart, you can sculpt a heart? Let's investigate different ways to make a heart. So we're going to do that with stations today. This one right here, the yellow table, is going to be designing on the iPad, and you're going to be using Hello crayons, or I think I have Hello pencils, colored pencils. It's the same thing. Make a heart with gems. You're going to see a video in the next few minutes about making a heart with gems. You basically use a whiteboard, draw your heart on, and then you can design with lots of gems and take a picture of it with an iPad. Here, this is your challenge station here. It's draw the most hearts. There's just a small blue piece of paper on that table. We're going to see who can get the most hearts drawn on their card. So far, we have the highest number, 256 hearts. Can you imagine that? So keep track and count, and if you have the higher number, we'll place it up there. Make a heart with blocks. Again, you'll see a video of some different ways to do that with geometric blocks. And finally, the most popular one thus far is make a hat heart, or make a heart hat. I know it's confusing. Not a hard hat, a heart hat. And again, I'll have videos on how to do that very quickly. As always, the gems will be passed out to the class. And if you have done this once, please let everybody have a chance first. If everybody's had a chance, then we can raise our hand again and maybe get the opportunity to set up the station. But once you have your gem and you've set up your station, place it back in the gem jar and make sure that you do two things. You set up the station, but here's the big one. You also are in charge of putting the station away. That doesn't mean that you have to clean the whole station. What it means is you have to make sure that you go back to that station at the end, get it the way that you found it, and then place it back on the cart.